Hello there and welcome to another tutorial video. During this video, I'm going to walk you through the client management, how you can add clients to your website, how you can sign them up via forms, and how you can manage your clients in general. So right now, I am inside of my site builder, and to get started, we are going to click on the contacts option up here at the top of our navigation. And when I do that, that's going to bring us here to a list of our contacts. So there's two main ways that we can add a contact to our website. We can do it manually, or we can do it via a form. So to get started with the manual way, I am inside of all of my contacts here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the add contact option up here at the top right. And then when I do that, we can enter a name and an email address for that contact and then save it. And that is a manual way of adding a contact or a client to our site. Now, a more automated way to do this would be to have your clients sign up via a form on your website. So let's go ahead and go back to our builder here, and I will show you exactly how to do that. So I already have a form on my website, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete this, and we're going to say yes. And on the left-hand side, we are going to mouse over the add widget option here, and I'm going to click on that. Then what I want to do here is I want to scroll down until we see the member login/registration widget. And I'm going to grab that and I'm going to drop it over here, and you can drop it anywhere on your website where you would like it to be. And once we drop it, we're going to notice this little pop-up window appears for our button settings. And the option that we want to pay attention to is the add new members to group. And we're going to select that drop down, and we're going to choose the group that we would like to add those members to. So now anyone who enters their email address and password and signs up are going to be added to my Diamond Status member group. And that's a way that we can kind of automate the process of adding clients to our site, and especially to different member groups. Now, once we have that added, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save that. Then I'm going to go back inside of my contacts. And once I'm inside of my contacts, what I want to do is I want to click on the settings option over here at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. And then once I do that, the first option we have is the customer properties. So here we can actually create properties that we would like to collect for our contacts. And we can do that by clicking on create property up here at the top. And then we need to enter a label and a description. So I will enter recurring payments, and my description is signed up for recurring payments. After that, we have the field type. Is it a single line of text, email, number, so forth? We are going to say this is going to be a true or false. Did they sign up for the recurring? Yes or no? And then we have the ability to add this to forms. So we can actually allow this field to be added to forms and collect it during sign up. I'm going to leave mine off for now, and then I'm going to save my property. And now we have this custom property created, and we can begin collecting data on that. The next thing I want to cover are the tags that we have here. So a tag is another way that we can segment our contacts. So once we're inside of the tag, I can create a brand new tag, and then all we have to do is give it a name. So I can call mine 1 hour consultation, just for example, click on submit, and now we have this tag that we can use to segment our contacts. Once we have our tag created, I'm going to go back inside of our contacts tab on the left-hand side. And once we are inside of our contacts, we're going to go ahead and click on the name of one of our contacts. And once we click on it, inside of this actual specific contact, we have a variety of different things that we can do. And one of them is to check on orders for this client. So once we are inside of this client's profile, we can actually click on orders over here on the right-hand side. And this will show us any orders related to this client. And last but not least, we can also check on their marketing details. So I'm going to click on marketing details here, and this is going to show us all the email information related to this client. How many emails have they received? How many have they opened? And how many links have they clicked inside of that email? And you can go in and you can check the orders, the marketing details, and so forth for every single contact inside of your database. And that's how simple it is to add new clients and manage your clients inside of your site. If you run into any other issues, feel free to click on the question mark icon down here in the bottom left hand of your screen, and then click on Client Management. And we have a knowledge base full of tutorials for every feature that we have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.